Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys, depending on where you are now. Welcome back to my channel. To get more updates, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Court grants Emefiele 20 million bail after 6 weeks in DSS custody. Justice Nicholas Oweibo granted bail to Emefiele after listening to the submissions of Emefiele's counsel, Joseph Dauda SAN. Suspended CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele arrived at the Federal High Court for his arraignment on the two-count charge of illegal possession of firearms and ammunition. The judge rejected the federal government claims that Emefiele was a flight risk. He ruled that the government failed to provide any facts to support its claims. President Bola Tinubu has suspended Emefiele as the Apex Bank chief on June 9, 2023, a day after the Department of State Services (DSS) confirmed that the embattled and suspended CBN chief was in his custody. After several legal firework by Emefiele's counsel challenging his prolonged detention by the DSS, the secret police bowed to pressure on July 13, 2023 and announced that the suspended Apex Bank chief has been charged to court. Emefiele was brought to court by DSS operative in a Hilux vehicle on Tuesday, July 25, 2023. Appearing before Justice Oweibo, Emefiele, 61, pleaded not guilty to the 2 counts of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition filed against him by the federal government. In his submission, Emefiele's lawyer, Daudu, urged the court to grant bail on self-recognizance or on other liberal terms, pending the hearing and determination of the trial. He said there is no counter affidavit from the federal government opposing bail. Also, the defendant is the renowned banker and can only stay as he can't travel anywhere. However, counsel of the federal government, Ikoye Jones' neighbor, in an oral submission, opposed the bail application, insisting that the prosecution has not been given time to respond in line with the provision of fair hearing and enshrined in the Constitution. She also said that the prosecution has information that the defendant's refusal to hand in his passport suggested his capacity to evade and abscond from his trial. As the governor of the CBN, he is a powerful man and can intimidate the witnesses. Granting him bail will intimidate the prosecution witnesses who have come forward to give evidence. He can evade trial based on his antecedents. We argue that the court to dismiss the bail application, she argued. But the court overruled the federal government. The judge also ordered that Emefiele be held at the Ikoye Correctional Centre, pending the perfection of his bail as against the request of the prosecution that the defendant should be remanded in DSS custody for further investigation on another matter that may soon be filed in court. This trial will be fixed on November 14, 2023. And these are his bail conditions. Initially on the bail application, Justice Oweibo said, "I find and hold that the prosecution has failed to establish why the defendant should not be granted bail. Consequently, the defendant is admitted to bail in the sum of 20 million naira with one surety in like sum. The surety must be owner of a landed property within the jurisdiction of the court, who must not be less than level 16 in the Nigeria Civil Service. The defendant must deposit his international passport to the court, and the case is adjourned to 14th of November for trial." Thanks, guys. This is what I'll be stopping for today. For you to get more updates about the shining, please kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to give us a like, comment, and also share this video. Thanks, guys, for stopping by.